we interrupt your scheduled programming for a special episode. Please stand by.
Hey guys, so today we have a very special episode. So as you're aware, I was able to pick up something from the Gucci side of the Hacker Project, but yesterday, I got the bag. Want to see what I have? Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's get the introductions out of the way because I know that if you're like me, you are dying to see what I have in these shopping bags. So right off the bat, my name is Caleb. If you're new to my channel, welcome. On here, you're going to find a lot of things like luxury shopping, reveals, reviews, a lot of unboxings, luxury travel, daily vlogs, pretty much anything that has to do with life and style, you're going to find right here on this channel. So before we go any further and get into the unboxing, do me a favor, hit subscribe down below if you're looking for some great quality content. Give this video a thumbs up and say hi to me down in the comments. I love chatting with all of you, and it's just a fun space. We have a lot of fun on this channel. No, you're not crazy. I know I post on Wednesdays and Sundays. We're not, it's not the weekend yet, so don't get too excited. We are doing a special episode today on Friday because I got the hacker bag from Balenciaga. So luckily, my local Balenciaga boutique, they were able to source it in. It's a smaller store inside the Saks Fifth Avenue off of Michigan Avenue here in Chicago. They were able to track it down in New York because I could not order it online for the life of me, and they were able to source it and bring it in. So I am so excited. It arrived yesterday. It's perfect. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So if you're new and you didn't see my Gucci Hacker Project reveal, link down below. There's also a special YSL unboxing too with that video. Let's just run through real quick and see what I got from the Gucci side of the project. So unfortunately, I just got a regular Gucci box. Regular Gucci dust bag, I know, I'm just glad I was able to get something. But I picked up the zippered card case. So this is like the typical hourglass style from Balenciaga. You have the half moon crescent shape there, a brass B on the front, card slots here in the back, zippered pocket in the middle. If you want a full in-depth reveal, unboxing, what have you, check out the video, link in the description. I'm not going to bore the rest of you who've already seen this. All right, so that's that out of the way. Let's get into the good stuff. All right, so as you all know, this was quite a trial to get my hands on. Now, if you don't already follow me over on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer, same name over on TikTok, I post a lot of my stories, and I think the Balenciaga Hacker Project was one of my little melodramas that I shared with you all recently. And I, for the life of me, could not track this bag down. So we happened to pop into the city. We just went to Balenciaga for fun. It was my first time at our new boutique. It just opened up on like September, I think. Not long at all. Of course, since they're a smaller boutique inside the Saks Fifth Avenue, they did not give them any of the Hacker Project, which blows my mind because I think they would have sold out. Literally, our Gucci had everything sold out by end of day. Like that morning, everything that was reserved that wasn't spoken for, instantly sold. It was a madhouse. So I think that it would have really taken off at our Balenciaga. Online, I found the bag I wanted, and online I would hit notify me. It'd say, oh, now in stock. And then the minute I got to the website, like I literally had my email open, went straight to the website. Immediately, I don't know if it was sold out, if the website was broken. I don't know. I could not get my hands on this bag. Literally one night, I think I did the whole notify me process like 6 or 7 times. Couldn't get my hands on it. So I texted the SA that I met at our Balenciaga. She came through. All right, so let's get into it. So right off the bat, I absolutely love the Balenciaga packaging. I think with the Hacker Project, I think Gucci was a little bit more fair in making sure that the packaging and all their items came with both logos and brandings. I feel like Balenciaga didn't quite show as much Gucci. Like we know the silhouettes from Gucci, but like they didn't really say Gucci, if you know what I mean. Do you get what I'm saying? Anyway, so the material, the packaging, it's a nice rubberized paper, as is the box. Now the box, let's get this out of the way, is exceptional quality. It's a nice thick box. It says Balenciaga here on the front with the BB and the Supreme pattern. Is it Supreme if it's from Balenciaga? I guess. Anything goes now. So let's dive in. Now, what I love most about the dust bag, it reminds me of, I forget what her name was, but before Alessandra Michele took over and after Tom Ford. Reminds me of that era as far as the dust bag goes. It's a nice silk. Again, in the BB Supreme, that just feels weird saying. And in the box, you just have like a silica packet and a little pillow, which is cute. Now, it's small, but it's so freaking cute. Okay, you guys. So I was able, after a lot of effort and a lot of help, I was able to snag, can you guess? The Balenciaga Hacker Project Camera Bag. It is so freaking cute, you guys. All right, so right off the bat, it's obviously an Ophidia bag. My one gripe, and I know I love Balenciaga, and I never have a Balenciaga gripe, but much like Gucci did with the B here, I almost wish that they had done the same with the GGs here, or like that Gucci Ophidia logo. I think that would have been a neat touch, but it's Balenciaga, and as you all know, I love Balenciaga, so I'm here for it. Now, this bag, it's identical to the Gucci Ophidia Small Shoulder bag. Right off the bat, you have the same type of hardware, the Gucci webbing stripe here through the center of the bag, and it's a nice coated canvas. I think they also did kind of a woven jacquard in the black, which was nice looking, but it's not really my vibe. This is where it's at. Now, this bag is so stinking cute. So here on the back, nice and simple, you have that classic Gucci calfskin leather. And all of the hardware is marked Balenciaga, which I thought was a really nice touch, exactly in the way that Gucci marks it on the Ophidia bags, which is so cool. Now, on the interior, let me get some of the stuffing out and then I'll show you guys the inside. All right, so the interior itself, it's just done in like a nice moire lining, which is really pretty. It's one of my favorite fabrics. There's a slip pocket, much like the Gucci Ophidia bag, and a cute little key hook that is also marked Balenciaga made in Italy. Now, one of the hallmarks that I absolutely love about this bag that I don't think many people caught if they purchased this was the true Balenciaga signature inside the front pocket. So much like one of my favorite bags, the Anthracite Brief from, I think this is '08. I don't know, I did a full reveal and unboxing, so link down in the description. One of my absolute favorite bags. I love this one. So with all the Balenciaga bags, especially the classic styles, when you open the front pocket, they always did about 2 to 4 inches of the exterior leather here on the inside of the pocket. Gucci never does that. Now, it's really cool. On the interior of the Balenciaga Hacker Project Camera bag, they did the same thing. So when you open up the front pocket, you have the 2 inches of the exterior leather on the inside. Now, the regular Ophidia bag, when you open up that zip pocket, it's just the regular Alcantara lining. So this is something that was specific to the Balenciaga side of the project, and I love that they carried that hallmark feature into something as small as the front zip pocket. I mean, how cool is that? Balenciaga literally thinks of everything. Now, I am so excited, you guys, because I was able to get the Balenciaga bag, the Gucci wallet, and they fit perfectly with each other. How cool is that? Now, the zippered card holder, the MSRP is $500 USD, or just a little bit shy of once you add on tax. And the price for the Hacker camera bag, it's priced at $11.90 before tax as well. So a little bit on the high end for both items, but I mean, they're both from a limited edition collab, and I don't see them losing value anytime soon. All right, so for those of you who are familiar with my channel, you know I'm going to be doing an in-depth review on this bag. I think that's going to go live here in January. I still have quite a few videos from our Spain trip to share with you guys. My La Roca Village outlet shopping how-to. It's going to cover like how to get there, what kind of shops you're going to find, restaurants, and then we'll have a part 2 at the reveal. I bought a bag at Gucci, Zane got a bag at Prada. You're not going to want to miss that. So this review is going to come up in January. It's identical aside from that really cool zipper pocket feature I showed you guys. It's identical to the Ophidia Small Shoulder bag. It's just such a great bag, and I am literally so excited that I was able to score this. This is, I think, the 12th Balenciaga bag in my collection, and in my designer collection, I think bag number 38. That sounds absolutely insane to say out loud. I've decided that in March for my 100th episode, I'm going to do a full designer bag collection video for you guys. I originally posted one. I'm not going to link it below because it is so cringy, but I originally did a full designer bag collection video. Gosh, it was probably like the second or third video on my channel. And when I rewatched it the other day, I only had like 16 bags. I'm now at 38. So I've been very busy this year, as you've all seen on this channel. It's fun, it's lighthearted, and, you know, something fun to collect and hunt down. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much. I know that I don't normally post on Fridays, so this was kind of a surprise video. So thank you to my regular folks who are watching. To anyone else who's new, welcome. I hope you stick around, hit subscribe. There's a lot of fun content coming your way. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on Sunday. All right, have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye.